All right, problem number 3. In the diagram below, triangle AEC is congruent to triangle BED. All right, that's very important. I'm going to kind of use that notation because I know that says something. Which statement is not always true? So not true, meaning that if it is congruent, that's not my answer. So AC is congruent to BD. Okay, the first and the last letters should be congruent to the first and the last letters. They correspond. And since these triangles are congruent, those corresponding parts should be congruent. So this is true, so it's not my answer. CE, all right, the last two letters, well, they should be congruent to the last two letters. And look at that. They say CE, right here, is congruent to DE, that right there. So that's true. It's not what we're looking for, okay? 3, that middle letter and this middle letter. So I'm going to look here. Where do I find A? Ah, there's A. And it should correspond to the first letter. See that? First letter. Yeah, these angles are congruent. So by process of elimination, my answer is number 4. And I'll show you that both visually and according to this diagram up here, or that notation. Angle ACE, yeah, this angle here, they're claiming is congruent to angle DBE, this angle here. And you can see those are not corresponding parts in these congruent triangles. And if we focus on those middle letters, the C and the B, that C and that B do not correspond, right? C is congruent to D. So I can look at the notation to figure that one out as well.